Question 18. Seawater contains approximately 1.2 ounces of salt per liter on average. How many gallons of seawater to the nearest tenth of a gallon would contain 1 pound of salt? All right, a conversion question. Let's do it. I don't need to problem solve. I can just convert like a computer. So, I've got my conversions over here. I want what? Pound to ounce. I want pound to ounces. I want pound to ounce and vice versa. So 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Great. And what's the other thing I want? Gallon and a liter. Gallon and liter. So 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. 3.785 liters. Great. Here's my conversions. Now let's do the problem. I guess there's a little bit of similarity in here. I'm being a little mean about it's just a conversion problem. Okay. So 1.2 ounces of salt per liter on average. So this is, let's see, 1.2 ounces per 1 liter. And I want to find for 1 gallon, which, no, how many gallons, so how many gallons, X gallons, is the same thing as 1 pound of salt. So I'm gonna have, it was 1.2 ounces. Oh, 1 pound, great, that's nice. I don't even need to convert the ounces. 1 pound is just 16 ounces. All I need to do is I've got ounces to ounces. I need to go from liters to gallons. So I have 1 liter, and I want to see how much of a gallon is that. Well, let's do one similarity thing over here. So 1 gallon over 0.3785 liters, G and L, should be equal to X gallons over 1 liter. For this, you just set up the equations to do your conversion. So boom, boom, whoa, whoop, 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 whoop. Ah, put gallons on top, made a mistake. That's okay. 1, no, that's fine. What did I do? That's okay. I don't know why I'm second guessing myself. Gallon over 1 liter. Cross multiply here, boom, boom. I'm left with 1 liter gallon is equal to 3.785 X liter gallons. I'll divide by 3.785 liters. That cancels with that. The liters cancels with the liters. Divided by 3.785 liters cancels with that. 1 over 3.785, the liters cancels with that. Gallons is equal to the X gallons, and 1 over 3.785, 1 over 3.785 is, all right, 0.2642. After 2 zeros, it's probably safe to do that. Gallons is equal to X gallons. So I just found, aha, if I wanted how many gallons and I have only a liter, if I wanted how many gallons I have only a liter, well, I just found that 1 liter is equal to 0.264 gallons. So now I can rewrite this. I'll rewrite both of these as 1.2 ounces over 0.2642 gallons is equal to 16 ounces over X gallons. And now I can do my cross multiplication again. I hate cross multiplication, but this video is already taken too long, so I'm just going to do it. I'm going to rewrite that over here. So it's 16 ounces in gallons. 16 times 0.2642 is equal to 1.2x. I'm going to rewrite this over here. Boom. I'll divide by 1.2 on both sides. Divide by 1.2 on both sides. And I'm left with 16.02642 over 1.2 should be equal to x. Because I'm getting to the end of it, I mean, I guess I should have checked, but my units are all going to cancel out except for gallon. And so then I just got to plug this into my calculator. So clear this. 16 times 0.2642 close parentheses divided by 1.2. My answer is 3.52. They want the nearest tenth of a gallon. It looks like 3.5 is my correct answer, and indeed it is. It takes 3.5 gallons of water to have the same amount. For every, sorry, what's the context of the question? 1 pound of salt can be found in every 3.5 gallons of seawater, if this is actually a true fact and it's not fake news. All right, anyways, this is the correct answer. I've got the correct answers up here. That's the correct answer. Oh my gosh, what happened?